Hi guys, Gino here. So ayun, bumili ako ng Bluetooth speaker and guess what? Ang main function pala ng produkto na ito ay hindi Bluetooth speaker because ito ay isang RGB mood lamp na merong Bluetooth speaker. And this is the Chroma Smart Touch LED light mood lamp with Bluetooth speaker as posted on Lazada. And we're going to do an unboxing and overview of this item, so stay tuned. So here's the box. So dito yung name niya differs from the one posted on Lazada. So it's called Touch Sound Lamp based on the packaging. Nandito din sa harap yung some of the key features ng product. And on the side we can see the specification, which I'll also include on the description below. And let's begin with the unboxing. So first, we have a standard USB cable that's rated at 5 volts for your charging your speaker. So you're gonna use this cable. Next, we have a 3.5mm aux-in cable if you want to use the speaker for your PC or music players that doesn't have Bluetooth. Next, we have a multi-language user manual. And this other one is also a user manual but only in English. And finally, we have the star of this show, the Bluetooth speaker. So for the design and build quality, first, here we could see the buttons. From left to right, we have the mode button that lets you switch from Bluetooth to FM radio. We also have the back and volume down button, pause and play button, forward and volume up, and lastly, the power button. On the rear, we have a micro SD slot, 3.5mm aux, and a DC 5V charging port. At the bottom, it has a non-slip padding and a metal handle. On top, we can see the speaker grill that also serves as a touch sensor for changing the lighting's color and effect. The shell body of the speaker is mostly made of plastic.
Bluetooth mode.
And this is how the speaker looks like when the lighting is on. The touch sensor grill is very responsive. The illumination is quite nice and not too bright. The light is also well diffused and there are no hotspots. This is my favorite lighting effect where the color gradually cycles. To me, it's very appealing and calming. Here's how you connect your device to the speaker. You just need to turn on Bluetooth, wait for a few seconds, and once you hear the beep sound, it means that your device is connected. It will also display the battery level of the speaker briefly on your phone. And here is a fun lighting effect in where the light is synced to the beat of the sound. Now for sample audio, here's how the speaker on my phone sounds like. Now here's a sample audio on the Bluetooth speaker. So for the pros and cons, let's start with the pros. The price is great, amazing value. I got this speaker for only 249 pesos plus 50 on shipping. The Grail touch sensor works very well and was very responsive. RGB lighting is very attractive and it also works. The Bluetooth on this speaker can seamlessly connect to all my devices. Audio is also well synced when I'm watching videos. Sound quality is good for its price. And for the con, wala. So yung unit ko lang, hindi masyadong align yung power button, but it's not really noticeable pag malayo. So para kanino ba tong speaker na to? Well, kung gusto mo lang i-step up ng onte yung sound quality and volume ng phone watching or listening experience mo without breaking the bank, then this speaker is for you. May bonus ka pang light show dahil dun sa RGB lighting niya. So, I highly recommend this product. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.